Hello students, in this video we will discuss about the solution of exercise 12.3. In this video we will continue the discussion about the solution of next 4 questions from this exercise. So let us start with question number 5. The question is, from each corner of a square of side 4 cm, a quadrant of a circle of radius 1 cm is cut, and also a circle of diameter 2 cm is cut as shown in the figure. Find the area of the remaining portion in the square. That means if you look at the first figure, you have to find the area of the orange portion. Okay, you have to find the area of the orange portion. What is given? Given that this ABCD is a square where the sides are 4 cm. Okay, and from each corner you can cut one quadrant. Okay, you can cut one quadrant with radius 1 cm. Okay, that means for these 4 circles which I have shaded, for these 4 circles radius is given as 1 cm. And there is another circle in the middle of the square whose diameter is 2 cm. That means radius is also 1 cm. So here for this middle circle radius is also 1 cm. Now how can you find the area of this orange portion? First of all, this is very simple. You can find the area of this square by the formula side square. Okay, then you will subtract the area of this quadrant, this quadrant, this quadrant, this quadrant, and area of this middle circle. Okay, if you subtract this green one and the orange one from the area of the square, then you will get the orange portion, right? So first of all I have to find the area of the square, then I have to find area of 4 quadrant, they are equal, and the area of the middle circle. Okay, so let's check the solution. Okay, radius of each quadrant is 1 cm. That's why area of each quadrant will be, you know, this quadrant forms 90 degree, right? So theta is equal to 90 degree and r is equal to 1. So area will be, as you can see, this is a minor sector. So use the minor sector formula, area of minor sector formula, theta by 360 degree into pi r square. Put the value 90 in place of theta and 1 in place of r. It will be 11 by 14. This is the area for each quadrant. Okay, that means for 4th quadrant it will be 11 by 14 into 4. Okay, now next we will find the area of the circle, this middle one. As you can see, for this circle diameter is 2 cm given, means radius is 1 cm, and area is pi r square. So put it here, use pi is equal to 22 by 7. So area of circle will be 22 by 7. Okay, done. Now area of square is equal to side square, that is 16 centimeter square. So now the area of the orange portion will be area of the square minus area of the circle minus area of 4 quadrant, as I have explained you. Okay, just put the values, 16 for the area of square, 22 by 7 for the area of circle, and 4 into 11 by 14 for 4 quadrant. 1 quadrant is 11 by 14, that's why 4 quadrant will be 4 into 11 by 14. Now just do this subtraction. Okay, you will get 68 by 7 centimeter square. The area of the orange portion is 68 by 7 centimeter square. In this way you have to solve question number 5. Now question number 6. In a circular table cover of radius 32 cm, a design is formed leaving an equilateral triangle ABC in middle as shown in the figure. Find the area of the design. Okay, as you can see, this is a circular tablecloth. Okay, suppose I am considering this one is the center. Consider now radius is given as 32. Okay, this radius is given as 32, so I am writing r is equal to 32 given 32 centimeter. Now our design is formed leaving an equilateral triangle ABC in the middle. That means this ABC is a equilateral triangle. Okay, but if you look at the question, ABC is a equilateral triangle given, but this the value of the length, the value of the sides are not given here. Okay, value of the sides are not given here. You have to find the area of this design. Okay, now you can say that if I find the area of this whole circle, okay, and if I subtract the area of the triangle from it, I'll get the area of the design, right? So you can easily find the area of the circle. You can easily find the area of the circle by the formula pi r square, where r is 32. But how can you find the area of equilateral triangle where the side values are not given? Okay, so how can you find the side value? Okay, so if you look at this diagram, okay, I am considering this one as a center. Okay, join this AO and extend it. Okay, join this AO and extend it. As you can see, this AD, okay, AD will be the median for BC side. And you also know the theorem that if a circle circumscribe a triangle, if a circle circumscribe a triangle, then the center of the circle and the centroid of the triangle will be the same point. That means this O is center of the circle as well as centroid of the triangle. And you also know centroid of the triangle divides the median in 2:1 ratio. Okay, so you can say that AO is to OD is equal to 2:1, right? Now I got AO is to OD is equal to 2:1, and look at here, this AO, since O is the center, AO is the radius, and radius is given as 32 is to OD is equal to 2:1 given. That also you can write 32 by OD is equal to 2 by 1, or you can write OD is equal to 32 by 2 is equal to 16. I just have done the cross multiplication. Okay, so OD is equal to 16 centimeter means this from here to here, this distance is 16 centimeter. Now AO is 32, OD is 16. That means you got the value of AD. AD is equal to 32 plus 16 means 48 centimeter. Okay, so you got the value of the median, which is 48 centimeter, right? Now again look at the figure. See, you know that in equilateral triangle the median forms 90 degree with the opposite side. The median bisects the opposite side perpendicularly. Okay, so this angle is 90 degree. If you consider the sides of this equilateral triangle as A, so this is A, this one is A, and this BC is also A. Since AD is the median, that means BD will be A by 2. Okay, now look at the ABD triangle. Look at this triangle ABD. This side is A, this side is A by 2, this side is 48, and it is a right angle triangle. So you can easily use Pythagoras theorem, right? You can write AB square, you can write AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. Okay, that means A square is equal to 48 square plus BD means A by 2 whole square. From here you can easily find the value of A. So let's check the solution in the slide. Centroid O divides the median AD into 2:1 ratio. Therefore AO is to OD is equal to 2:1. Okay, now AO by OD is 2:1. Put the value. OD will be 16. I explained you. AD will be 48. Okay, in triangle ABD, which is a right angle triangle, AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. Okay, just put the values. Okay, if you solve it, you will get AB is equal to 32 root 3. Okay, so now you will get you got the value of AB, which is 32 root 3 centimeter. Means you got the side of the equilateral triangle. So area will be root 3 by 4 into side square. That means if you do the calculation, area of the triangle will be 768 root 3 centimeter square. So you got the area of this portion. Now you have to find the area of whole circle, which will be equal to pi r square. Just put the value, use 22 by 7 in place of pi. It will be 22528 by 7 centimeter square. So the area of the design will be area of the circle minus area of the equilateral triangle. Just put the value. Okay, no need to put the value of root 3 because in the question the value of root 3 are not given in decimal places. That's why just leave it as it is. This will be your answer. Okay, this one is your answer. I will discuss about question number 7. In figure, ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeter with center A, B, C and D. 4 circles are drawn such that each circle touch externally 2 of the remaining 3 circles. Find the area of the shaded region. Okay, if you look at the first diagram, ABCD is a square given, and taking A, B, C and D as center, you have to draw 4 circles in this way. You have to find the area of this green portion. Okay, area of this green portion. So first of all, you can easily find, okay, you can easily find the area of this square by the formula side square. Done. Now what you will do, you will subtract the area of this quadrant, area of this quadrant, area of this quadrant and area of this quadrant from area of square. Then you will get the area of this middle part. Right, very easy. So let's check the solution. First of all, when you have to draw the circles in this way that these 2 circles will touch each other at one point. These 2 circles will touch each other at one point in this way. These 2 circles will touch each other at one point. That means corresponding circle will touch each other at exactly 1 point. Okay, so from the figure you can easily say that since AB distance is given as 17, sorry, AB distance is given as 14, that means this distance from here to here it is 7 half. That means the radius for each circle is 7, right? This is the radius for the first circle, which will be 14 by 2, 7. Similarly, this is also 7, this is also 7, this is also 7, right? So radius for each quadrant or circle is 7. The circle drawn taken ABCD for quadrants of radius 7 centimeter. Okay, now you will find the area of each quadrant. In quadrant, theta is equal to 90 degree and r is equal to 7. Put it in the formula of area of sector. It will be 90 by 360 into pi r square. So if you do the calculation, it will be 77 by 2 centimeter square. This is the area of one quadrant. Okay, now find the area of the square, which is equal to side square, that is 14 square 196. So the area of the shaded green portion is equal to area of square minus area of 4 quadrant, that is 196 minus 4 into 77 by 2, because 77 by 2 is area of one quadrant. The area of 4 quadrant will be 4 into 77 by 2. Just do the calculation, answer will be 42 centimeter square. So this is all for today. Thank you.